Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Ms. Shagufta Ibrahim is here with your new lesson, Climatic Regions of Pakistan. In previous sessions, we have done about the climatic regions of the world. Now we will go through the climatic regions of Pakistan. As Pakistan lies between the latitudes 24 degree north and 37 degrees south. Pakistan has four main climatic zones. So this is the location of Pakistan between latitudes. These are the latitudes. These, and Pakistan lies between 24 degree north. This is 24 degree north and this is 37 degree north south. So this is the location of Pakistan between latitudes. And Pakistan also has four climatic regions. Before going through this, we will learn about the new words or the keywords which we will use in this lesson. For example, mild. Mild means we will use this term with the climate. So mild means not severe, serious or harsh climate. फिर fossil fuels are natural fuels such as coal or gas formed in the geological past from the remains of the living organisms. So fossil fuels like coal or gas are formed from the living organism which are dead and buried in the depths of the soil, and with the chemical reactions after thousands of years they are turned into the fossil fuels like gas and coal. Delta. Deltas are the wet land that form as rivers empty their water and sediment into another body of water such as ocean, lake or other river. It means when the river falls into the sea, the a large area on near the sea becomes wet, and all the minerals which river water brings with its deposit are deposited on that land, and this land is wet and known as the wetland or the delta. And we have in Pakistan delta at Thatta. This is known as Indus Delta. So it is about 40 kilometer wetland on Thatta, and this is very fertile land, and we have mangrove forest on near the delta. Now we will go through the climatic regions of Pakistan. Highland climate is the first one. Highlands means regions at height above the sea level. Sea level. Those regions which are above the sea level are located at the height are known as the highland regions. For example, all the mountains and plateaus are included in highland regions, and the climate of these mountains and plateaus are known as highland climate. So, for example, northern areas with high mountains have highland climate, and they have long cold and snowy winters and short cool summers. So temperature falls below the freezing points, and all the northern mountains, like look at this picture, all the mountains are covered with the snow, and they receive heavy snowfall in winter. So winters are very long and summers are very short, but they are also cool. Lowland climate. The plains of River Indus have a lowland climate. Winters are short and mild. Here we are using the term mild. Summers are hot and monsoon with heavy rain in the month of July and August. So lowlands, plains of Punjab and Sindh River, uh, near the river Indus. So plains of Punjab and Sindh. Look at here. These are the plains of Punjab, and this is the plain of Sindh, and also Sindh and Punjab both have the plains and are included in the lowland climatic regions. So near the Indus River, they have lowland climate. Their winters are very short and mild. So winters mild means okay, winters are not so severe. We do not receive severe cold in winters in the plains of Punjab and Sindh. And summers are very hot and monsoon with heavy monsoon rains in the month of July and August. Coastal climate. Uh, Pakistan has a long coastline along the delta of River Indus and Makran, an area of Balochistan. The sea breezes make the weather mild. It is not too cold or too hot. It is known as moderate climate. So sea breezes make the change in the weather, and that's why the summers are not so hot or winters are not so cold. So it has moderate climate because of the ocean or Arabian Sea. Arid climate, desert climates are also known as the arid climate. Arid means hot and dry climate. Desert areas are found in Sindh and Balochistan province. The climate is hot and dry all year round with a little rainfall during monsoon. So the climate of deserts is very hot and dry because deserts do not receive uh, rain. There is no rainfall or a very little rainfall. That's why there is no vegetation. The soil is not fertile. It is the climate is very hot and dry. How climate of Pakistan supports is agriculture because we have all the climates, all four climates in our country. We are blessed with four climatic regions in Pakistan, and we also have seasons like winter, summer, autumn, spring. That's why agriculture is supported a lot because of its climate. Pakistan is an agricultural country. The crops of Pakistan are dependent on its climate. Pakistan's moderate climate supports agriculture as plains of Pakistan like Punjab and Sindh receive adequate precipitation and moderate temperatures. So, because of sufficient, adequate means sufficient rainfall, rainfalls or the snowfalls in northern areas and sufficient monsoon and heavy rainfall in the plains of Sindh and Punjab and moderate temperature, yani कि not too hot and not too cold. The lands have become very fertile. The plains of Punjab and Sindh have become very fertile because of moderate temperature and sufficient precipitation or heavy rainfall, well as good soil, and also the soil is very good and suitable for uh, vegetation. So farmers grow summer and winter crops in their plains with variety of fruit and vegetables in Pakistan. Reasons for climate change. Climate of places can become warmer, colder, or there might be more rain than usual. So scientists believe that climate change is taking place. The temperatures have become hotter and scientists call it global warming. When the temperatures rise, they can melt the glaciers faster and excess water floods into the rivers, causing damage to crops and property. So this is the global warming, the due to which what is global warming we can discuss in detail. Global warming, the gradual heating of earth, ocean and atmosphere is caused by human activity, especially the burning of fossil fuels that pump the carbon dioxide and methane gases into the atmosphere. What happens? Human activities are the burning of fossil fuels, the smoke from industries, the smoke from transport, and other human activities cause a lot of carbon dioxide, methane gas. All these are known as greenhouse gases. These gases form a blanket on the above the atmosphere, above the Earth's surface, And when the sunshine, ultraviolet rays, when the sunshine falls on the earth, the blanket of these greenhouse gases do not allow the sunshine to escape back into the atmosphere. That's why the climate of the earth is changing. The temperature of the earth is increasing. The earth is becoming more hot. That's why the glaciers are melting and rivers are causing floods. Their water level is increasing because of global warming. Now this is the video for you. Watch this video and it will be more helpful for you in supporting, in understanding the topic more. Tasks to do. Name the four climatic regions of Pakistan. How does the climate of Pakistan support its agriculture? Do these questions in your copy and complete your work on time. That's all for today. We will meet in next class inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz.